And now that Infinite Uploads is connected, we're going to go ahead and sync our media library here on our site with Infinite Uploads. It's super quick, so we're going to click on Sync Now, and we'll wait for a moment for it to connect. Alright, it's now all synced, and now all we have to do is click on Enable. Alrighty, perfect. So now that is up in the cloud, and now what we're going to do is we're going to come to our destination site, and we're going to install all-in-one WP migration. And we're going to go here to import from File, and now we import it. Okay, now it's preparing to import. We're going to click on Proceed. Perfect. Now we're going to go over here to plugins, and it might have logged me out because the cookies are different. Yep, it sure did. So I'm going to go back here to InstaWP, and we're just going to log back into it. You can see here that all the plugins that were in our source site are all there. And we're going to go ahead and re-add in Infinite Uploads. It's important to do the export with all-in-one WP migration before you set up Infinite Uploads. If you don't, the site connection keys with Infinite Uploads might get mixed up, and it just gets crossed in the back end. So we're going to go ahead and connect Infinite Uploads, because as you can see here, our media library is currently empty. It shows all of the placeholders, but the actual files are not there. So we're going to go ahead and run the scan, and it should show up as almost 0. Yep, shows up as exactly 0. So let's go ahead and click on Connect, and in this drop down, we're not going to connect a new site. What we're actually going to do is select our Infinite Upload source site. And we're going to click on Connect. And then now we're going to do Sync Now and Enable. And then now you can see that this site has 1.15 gigs. And if we go back to the media library, it's going to take a moment or two to load, but all of those empty files will now have thumbnails and actually have an image behind it. Voila! Just like that, that's how you can easily migrate your WordPress website using Infinite Uploads and all-in-one WP migration.